Good morning, everybody. So I've been asked about an update on my Cold Plunge. So I've had it running for a little while now. It works phenomenal. It's definitely function over form, so don't judge me too hard. I'm not a builder. This is my first actual wood project. So it doesn't look the greatest, but it works really well, and that's all I care about. So here it is. So I just built a little lid for it. Got it sided. Just comes right off. Nice clear water. And this is the operations, same as last time. And then I've got my timer for this one right there. That runs the ozone because that doesn't need to run. That doesn't need to run 24/7. So I've got it on like a 3-hour timer a day, just to turn on and clean, and then shut back off. So it's just like for your Christmas lights and stuff. And other than that, I had a little leak right there when I turned it back on this summer, or this spring, I guess. So I fixed that, and also inside it's fully insulated. So I stuffed a bunch of insulation in there, and should keep it kind of cool throughout the summer. Shouldn't overdo the cooler for a little while, and that's where it's sitting at right now. So this is 40-degree water running through it right now, which is cold, and we're gonna jump in. So you watch that. I'll set you up here. Once you catch your breath, it's not too bad. It's that first initial jaunt that is rough. And there we go. So on average, they see the benefits from a cold plunge after 11 minutes a week. So if you do 3 minutes 3 times a week, 4 times a week, I can't math well. If you do 3 minutes 4 times a week, that's where you get the benefits. So if you can go longer, you get even more. I do about 3 minutes every morning, In the summer, when it's a little warmer, I'll probably do, anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes. I'm still getting acclimated again, just because I haven't done it in a while. I just got it running again. Throughout the winter, I just do cold showers. So, but yeah, so there's the update. And I built it from DIYcoldplunge.com. It's like $8 for the plans or something. Super cheap, and he tells you exactly where to cut. He tells you exactly where to how to build it, measurements, everything, what supplies you need. I seriously went to Home Depot with a checklist of all the piping that I needed. Super easy. He's a great guy to get some plans from. So DIYcoldplunge.com, and build yourself one. It's pretty cool. I think I've got $1,500. The most expensive thing was that cooler. That was, I think, $800 for a good one. $800 or $900 because of the temperature we live at in Grand Junction. You have to have a higher rated BTU cooler to keep it that cold in the summer. So also, because I insulated it, that should work just fine. So we'll see this summer, and hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you next time.